Hello everyone, today we're going to make hexagon pattern number 6. This is another really sweet pattern in the centre. Now, I had to change things up a little bit when I used the thicker yarn. It just didn't work out the same as when I used the mini skein. So this is a 4-ply yarn. I have changed the position of the corners. So you may have noticed, or you may not, but it's just slightly different. It still has a good effect though. So let's get going on this and dive into hexie number 6. To make this pattern, all you need is your yarn. I'm using Stylecraft Special DK, which is an 8-ply. You need the corresponding hook, which is a 4mm for the 8-ply. You'll need your scissors and your darning needle. I start my work with a double magic ring because the single magic rings can actually come undone. So holding your yarn end in your left hand, wrapping your yarn around 2 fingers twice, pull that yarn up through the loop with your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook to secure your magic ring. Now we're going to make 18 double crochets around this magic ring. We're going to start off with chain 2, and this one actually counts as a double crochet. Now we'll do 17 normal ones. So yarn over, pop your hook into the loop, pull up your yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your normal double crochet. Yarn over, hook through the loop, pull up your yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, let's get going on 18 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 16, 17 and 18. Pulling that loop. Now, pulling on that yarn end to cinch in one of the loops. Grab hold of that loop that did cinch in and pull it out. Can be a little bit fiddly sometimes. There we go. Now pull on your yarn end again and the other loop will go in. Let's finish off this round with a slip stitch into the top of the double crochet that we made first. Pull your loop through and through the one on your hook. Round 2 is going to be 3 half double crochets, chain 1, 3 half double crochets, chain 1, and keep on going like that. So we're going to make that special little starting stitch. I'm going to use the same one that I used for the double crochet to use for the half double crochet. So pop your hook into the top of the stitch below, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1, and that's your first half double crochet stitch. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And again, yarn over into the next, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Chaining 1. Now we're going to go in and do 3 more half double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chaining 1, 3 more half double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 more, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 more, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and our last set of half double crochets. chaining 1. I am changing things up because this pattern has the corners coming out of the center half double crochet and the sides working into the chain space. So I thought that was a little odd. This has turned out looking great as it has, but it's not working so well for the thicker yarn. So we're going to work our corners into the corner chain space. So we are in the top of the first half double crochet. Now we're going to slip stitch our way over to the top of the second half double crochet. So pop your hook under the loop on the stitch to the left, pull up a loop and pull it through the loop on your hook. Now we can work into the top of that second half double crochet. We're going to make 2 double crochets here because this is going to be the side of the hexagon. Pop your hook under the top of the loop, pull your yarn up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1. Now that's our starting double crochet. Yarn over, hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there is our 2 double crochet for the side of your hexagon. Now we're going to work a corner into the chain 1 space with 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. Now we're going to skip 1 stitch below and work into the second one with 2 double crochets. So yarn over, popping your hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Doing another one. Now we're going to skip a stitch below and work a corner into the chain 1 space with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Now skipping a half double crochet below, working 2 double crochets into the top of the second half double crochet from the round before. Now doing a corner into the corner space, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, skipping a stitch below, working into the second one with 2 double crochets, skipping a stitch, working into the corners with 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, skipping a stitch, working into the top of the stitch below with 2 double crochets. Now a corner with 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets, skipping a stitch, doing a side with 2 double crochets. Now we are back to the corner, which is a bit hidden here. You just need to skip 1 stitch below and you'll find that corner chain 1 space. So pop your hook in there with 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. There we go. That was a little bit tricky there, but we got it. Now we're going to finish the round with a slip stitch in the top of the first double crochet. For round number 4, we're going to have to move our position over to this space here. We're going to slip stitch underneath the stitch on the left, pull that through the loop on your hook, and we're going to then start working into this little space on the side. Pop your hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 for your single crochet, yarn over, pull through 1 for a chain. Now make 1 more double crochet into that same space. Skipping 2 stitches below, we're going to do our normal corner of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches and do 2 double crochet on the side. Skip 2 more stitches and do 2 more double crochet to finish off that side. Now we're back to the corner with 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches below and do 2 double crochet for our side. Skip 2 more stitches, do 2 double crochet. Now we'll do our corner of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. So I'm going to leave you here to work your way around, finding 2 spaces for the side stitches and then into the corner. Let's meet back up at the end. Now it's time to close our round. Finding the top of your first stitch, popping your hook through, pulling a loop through and pull it through the one on your hook. For the next round, we're going to have to slide along with a slip stitch, pop your hook under the top of the next stitch on your left, pull that one through the loop on your hook. Now we can begin our starting double crochet in this side space. Pop your hook in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 1. Now do another double crochet. Now we're straight into our corner here, so doing 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Now it's really easy to see where your stitches go for your sides. So we're going to pop 2 double crochet into this side space here, 2 double crochet into the middle of the side and 2 double crochet onto the left space. Now we're back to our corner with 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Let's go and work our way around and we'll meet back up at the end. Righto, we're at the end of round number 5. We're going to snip off our yarn, pull that loop through, grab your darning needle, pop the yarn in the eye. We're going to finish off our round popping the needle underneath the little V on the top of the stitch, which is the one that's next to the first stitch, because this loop that we make sits over top of the first stitch we made for the round. Sending your hook down the center of the last double crochet that you made. There we have our invisible finish. Now we're just going to weave our yarn end in along the back and through the middle of the stitches, trying to break some of the fibers as we go, because that helps to hold on to the yarn end more securely. Okay, I've got plenty for this one, so I'm going to go a little bit further. Now I'm going to finish off by going up and around, coming out the top of one of the half double crochets. Now let's do the magic ring tail, making sure it's firm. I'm going to go 1, 2 and 3 to the left, turning it round, 1 and 2. You can do more than this if you like. Snipping off our ends, and there we have our hexagon pattern number 5. Just before I leave you here on this one, you may be starting to notice that some of the hexagons are bigger than the other. considering we've done the same amount of rounds. Now we're going to deal with this in the video that I do about joining your hexagons. Okay, so well done if you've picked up on that and noticed the difference. It's a-okay. I'll show you how we're going to sort that out. It's pretty much just this little one that is quite a bit smaller than the others. Okay, let's get into that when the time comes. We'll finish off making our hexies first, and then we will deal with the little dilemmas that do happen in our crochet world. All right, everybody, I'm going to see you again really soon. Bye for now.